Okay guys, let's start from one very important thing. As you can see, I wear nitride gloves when I work with titanium because it needs more love and more protection. It's very reactive, so you don't need to have and you don't want to have any like oily smudges and stuff like that on your titanium surface. And the main thing you need to have at your shop is this: the acetone. Everything has to be cleaned with acetone multiple times. And right before you weld, even if you already tack everything together, you have to wipe it off with acetone right before you start your weld. And the filler rod too. And you need to use titanium filler rod to weld titanium. Please do not try to weld it with any other materials. It's not going to work, it's going to crack, and it's going to turn to trash. So the basics with preparation your parts before welding is pretty similar with any material, including like stainless steel, like we were talking in previous episodes. So all you need is just acetone, you need some Scotch-Brite, and you need like a fine file. So basically, you need to face your part before on a belt sander or whatever you have at your shop. Then you need to deburr edges. You need to use some Scotch-Brite to brush off some of this gray stuff outside and inside of your tubing, or even like coupons and stuff. And of course, wipe it off with acetone, and then you're ready to tack and weld. Okay, let's start welding something together. I'm going to show you what happens when you weld titanium part with stainless steel filler rod. So let's go and check this out. Right now, I'm going to tack two parts together. I'm just using my regular setup for stainless steel because it's not important right now. I just want to show you the wrong way to weld titanium. So let's make this T joint. Okay, this is good enough. So now I'm taking this 3/16 filler rod. Oh my. That's it. So, guys, it shouldn't be like this. It's not that easy to break titanium when it's welded correctly. So, yeah, those two metals just can't be friends. As you guys can see, it's a lot of like bubbles inside. It's a lot of pores. So those two metals, stainless and titanium, they cannot be friends at all. They just don't do it. So right now, I'm going to tack this part back the way it was, and I'm going to weld the same piece from the other side with titanium filler, and I will show you how hard it is to break it, really. Okay, let's weld the same piece, just from the clean side, together with actually titanium filler, but it's not going to be back perched from the other side of the weld. It's going to break probably, but it's not going to be that easy to break as it was with stainless steel rod, which don't do it, please. Okay, let's see. Right now, you're looking at a piece that I just welded with titanium filler rod. So, and you can see the color is very like nice, goldish kinda. So let me show you the one that I made with stainless steel. It looks completely different. You see, it's like it's not that even and not consistent at all. And this is the right weld with titanium filler rod. And also, I'm gonna talk about that later. This was, it wasn't really like back purge from the other side, which has to be done, but it's okay. For now, I just want to show you the differences between stainless filler rod on titanium and titanium filler rod on titanium. Okay, let's try to break this piece. It's still possible because there's no penetration from the other side, but it's not that easy. Okay. But I can see that it's actually penetrated into the titanium material, so it's not that like kind of weird, like cast something. It's actually like a good quality titanium melted together, but because there was no back purge from the other side, that's why it's so easy to break it, but it wasn't that easy as the stainless steel. So now I'm going to show you proper way how to work with titanium. Okay guys, let's weld just 2 coupons together with filler and also with back purge. As you can see, I set it up this kind of like a little camera, like an argon camera inside the vise. So now it's back purged. And also I'm going to change my 15 cup to number 21 edge cup because titanium require more protection. Okay, let's run. So I was running around like 5 CFH back purge, so not that much. And now I'm going to do the same, but without back purge. And after that, we will see differences. Okay, now let's run without back purge. So this is the results, and as you can see, the one weld that made without any purge, it has that white stuff on the backside, so it's basically oxidation. That's how titanium reacts when it doesn't have any protection from the other side, so it's basically titanium oxidation. And from the other side, I didn't get full pan because the material is like 2 millimeters thick. It's pretty thick, okay? It's really hard to get a good pan right away. So, but the main part, it was fully covered from the other side, and it's nice and silver. And I'm going to show you right now how it looks when you break it. I'm not sure I can break this one, but I 100% can tell you that I'm going to break this one with my hands. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Get a pliers and start from this one. I didn't even try. Okay, now let's try another one that I made with back purge. Even though there is no full penetration on the other side, but let's try to break it. Ugh. Ow! Ow! Okay, this is the differences. So this weld that you see right now was made without any back purge. And you actually can see that I could not even penetrate it even to the middle because the other side was not protected. Titanium is really weird material. It's not like anything else. I cannot even compare it with any other metals. For me, it's like alien, you know? And as you can see, there is no penetration. It's just on the outside where I was feeding the filler. And the other piece, right now you can see, it's actually fully penetrated. You can see the structure is different. So you can see where it was broken and how deep I got with the penetration. And it's about the same amperage, but the difference is when titanium is back purged from the other side while you weld it, you can get much better and deeper penetration. It's either going to be like full root from the other side, and I'm going to show you how it looks like, or at least this. And this connection is much stronger than anything you weld without back purge. Let me show you a very interesting example. This is titanium tubing that I welded specially for this video, and half of it was welded with back purge and another one without. Same amperage, same filler rod, same speed on the positioner. This was welded on positioner. So let me show you the differences. So as you can see, the one side without back purge, it has that white oxidation layer on the inside, and it doesn't have any penetration, like at all. It doesn't matter how hot you go, it's not going to penetrate. The filler rod is going to just build on top of the outside of the weld. That's it. It's not going to go inside deep in the material. And the other side was welded with back purge, and as you can see, it's really nice root from the inside with back purge. So basically now we have very, very strong connection from both sides, and it's almost impossible to break it. And if you weld titanium exhaust, for example, for your client's car or maybe for your own project, and you don't purge, and you're gonna get this white stuff inside your exhaust, is going to crack quickly. And you don't wanna have that. So please keep in mind, you have to back purge titanium. It doesn't matter, you weld it just like a pipes together or elbows or even brackets. So it has to be purged from all the sides where it's heat affected and can have oxidation and reaction with the air. So this is it, and I hope this basic explanation was pretty handy for you, and you can use it in your either personal projects or you can level up in your career. I'm Eliza Watson with Everlast Welders. Weld mean, weld green.